Imagine a student stepping into an exam hall, confident, prepared, and ready to ace the paper. How does this become a reality? It all boils down to effective exam preparation. This is more than just hours spent with books and notes. It's a process that builds confidence, reduces stress, and ultimately enhances performance. From understanding concepts to practicing past papers, from maintaining a healthy lifestyle to believing in oneself, each step is crucial. We're about to explore the top 10 strategies that can empower students, parents, and teachers alike in this journey of exam preparation. So join us as we delve into these 10 proven strategies, starting from number 10. At number 10, we have develop a study schedule. A study schedule is not just a timetable, it's a strategic plan that helps you allocate your time judiciously. It's a tool that reduces last-minute cramming by ensuring you cover all topics in a balanced manner. It promotes consistency, a key ingredient for academic success. Imagine it as your personal assistant, guiding you on what to study, when, and for how long. With a well-structured study schedule, you're not just studying hard, you're studying smart. A well-structured study schedule is indeed a stepping stone towards exam success. Coming in at number 9 is practice with past papers. This strategy is about more than just repetition. It's an opportunity to familiarize yourself with the exam structure, the types of questions, and the time constraints. It's like a dress rehearsal for the big day. You get to improve your pace, spot your weaknesses, and adjust your approach accordingly. It can be a game changer, helping you to anticipate, prepare, and conquer. Practicing with past papers, therefore, is a surefire way to get accustomed to the exam terrain. Number 8 on our list is healthy lifestyle. Amidst the hustle and bustle of exam preparation, it's crucial not to overlook the role of a healthy lifestyle. Balanced nutrition fuels your brain, providing the energy necessary for effective studying. Regular exercise boosts your mood and reduces stress, enhancing your focus and concentration. And let's not forget the importance of a good night's sleep. It rejuvenates your mind, improving memory and cognitive functions. So don't skimp on your health. Remember, a healthy body fosters a healthy mind. Our 7th strategy is understand rather than memorize. Comprehending concepts is far more impactful than simply storing information. By understanding the why and how, we enhance our problem-solving skills, fostering a deeper connection with the subject matter. This approach not only makes learning more enjoyable, but also bolsters long-term retention of information. Remember, it's not about cramming facts into your mind, but about making meaningful connections. Understanding, not memorizing, is the key to knowledge retention. At number 6, we have break down topics. This strategy is about making the complex simple, about taking big subjects and dividing them into smaller digestible parts. It's like eating a watermelon slice by slice rather than trying to swallow it whole. When we break down topics, we're able to focus on each piece individually, understand it fully, and then connect it back to the larger picture. This not only enhances comprehension but also decreases the feeling of being overwhelmed. Breaking down topics thus makes the learning process more manageable. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5, we have use visual aids. Now, imagine trying to remember a complex concept, a web of ideas. Sounds challenging, doesn't it? But what if you could see that concept visually mapped out? This is where visual aids like charts, diagrams, and mind maps come into play. They transform abstract ideas into clear, understandable visuals. By doing so, they enhance your memory and deepen your understanding, turning learning into a captivating interactive experience. Visual aids indeed make learning more engaging and effective. Coming in at number 4 is teach others. You see, when you teach a topic, it does more than just help someone else understand. It deepens your own understanding too. You're forced to break complex concepts down into simple, understandable pieces. This process often reveals gaps in your knowledge that you can then address. Plus, teaching improves your communication skills, helping you articulate ideas more clearly and effectively. Teaching others, therefore, is a powerful learning tool. Our 3rd strategy is regular review. The key to retaining information and ensuring a solid understanding of course material lies in regular review. It's like tending a garden. The more you nurture and revisit your growing plants, the more they flourish. In the same vein, the more frequently you revisit your learning, the deeper it embeds in your memory. This strategy not only fortifies your recall ability, but also enhances your comprehension of complex concepts. So, don't underestimate the power of repetition. Regular review indeed is the backbone of effective learning. Second on our list is seek help when needed. It's crucial to remember that you're not alone in your learning journey. When you find yourself struggling with a topic or concept, don't hesitate to reach out to teachers, peers, or even parents. This not only helps you overcome your immediate challenge, but also fosters an environment of collaborative learning. It promotes problem-solving skills and encourages open dialogue, leading to deeper understanding and knowledge retention. Remember, seeking help thus is not a sign of weakness, but a step towards understanding. And the top strategy for exam empowerment is believe in yourself. This isn't just an empty platitude. When you genuinely believe in your abilities, it fuels motivation, reduces exam anxiety, and fosters a positive mindset. Think about it. If you don't trust your capacity to succeed, how can you expect to achieve your goals? Self-belief is the backbone of all other strategies. It's the spark that ignites the fire of perseverance and resilience. Believing in yourself, therefore, is the most powerful strategy you can employ. And there you have it, the top 10 strategies for exam empowerment. From developing a study schedule and practicing with past papers to embracing a healthy lifestyle and understanding rather than memorizing, these strategies have the power to transform your exam experience. Let's not forget breaking down topics, using visual aids, teaching others, reviewing regularly, seeking help when needed, and most importantly, believing in yourself. Parents, teachers, and students all play crucial roles in this preparation process. Remember, the key to acing your exams lies not merely in studying hard, but in studying smart. Happy studying! If you found these strategies helpful and want to discover more educational content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. We are committed to helping you study smart, not just hard. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and join our thriving community of learners. Together, we can make studying less stressful and more effective. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you.